Hello, my name is Tarun and I am from India. I have created this little game as the final project for the CS50 Python course. Here is the code for the project. Let's have a look at it. First, I have imported all the libraries. Then we go on to set up the display and clock for the game and initialize the Pygame. Then we have some fonts declaration, after which we set up the game variables. Then we have the player class to control the player, and then we have the enemy class to instantiate the enemy. Then there is our main function, which contains a while loop which is only terminated when an event of type quit occurs in Pygame or if we press X. And in this for loop down below, we remove any enemy instances that are out of the display and detect collisions with the player. If the player has collided with the obstacle, then game is over. After the game is over, the program takes the user's name and stores the score in a file. Down below we have a reset function that resets the state variables to default. The create text function is responsible for showing a text on the screen. And this function does what its name implies, which is to write a score to a file. This function is responsible for taking the name input. And finally, this function retrieves the high score from the file.